Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with our next topic of the chapter, Our Glorious Past. Today's topic is the skill builders and engineers of the Indus Valley Civilization and the Gupta period. Now we are going to learn about how developed the science of building is during these periods. This means that the field of engineering was very well developed too. Today we will learn about towns, houses and public buildings of the Indus Valley Civilization and temples and rock-cut caves of the Gupta period. Do you know which were the earliest city of the Indian subcontinent? Harappa and Mohenjo-daro of the Indus Valley Civilization. Students, do you know that the Indus Valley people were excellent town planners and engineers? Their towns and cities were better planned and built than many of the modern-day towns. They built important buildings at a high platform. High walls were built around the buildings to keep them safe from floods and enemies. Now look at the street shown in figure 5 of your course book, page number 32. Can you see that the main street running from north to south and other streets cutting it at right angles? Look at the rounded corners of the streets. The streets were built in this way so that they could be cleaned on their own by winds. The streets were also rounded off at corners to let bullock carts turn easily. That's magnificent, isn't it, students? They built magnificent houses too. Look at the image of the houses of the Indus Valley. Figure 6 of your course book, page number 32. These were built to both sides of the street. They were made up of sun-dried or baked bricks. These bricks were uniform in size. Observe the doors carefully. The doors were built on the side of the houses and not in the front. This was done to prevent overcrowding in the main street. All the houses had a courtyard to see fresh air and light into the house. Each house had a well to draw water and a kitchen and bathroom with sloping floors. Look at the figure 7 of your course book, page number 33. You observe a narrow drain connected to the bathroom and the street drain. The sloping floors of the bathrooms and kitchen allowed water to move into the narrow drains built along the kitchen and the bath. These narrow drains carried the wastewater to main underground drain built on the side of the road. These drains carried the waste to large pits built outside the city. The roads did not smell bad from the drains because the drains were covered with stone slabs. The drains were cleaned regularly by removing the stone slabs. They had a great sense of cleanliness. This brings us to the end of today's session. Hope this is the session of joyful learning of interesting facts about our ancient and glorious past. Stay home, stay safe, bye-bye.